welcome to my reality Jeep life with me, the Vermont Jeep Girl, and this is my daily vlog of 2013. Had an awesome time this weekend over at Meadowy Off-Road Extreme Park, as you've seen in yesterday's episode. Today's episode is, it was the end of the day at the park, and the only ones left were Doyle in his truck, my friend Dee and her Dodge Hemi, me and Ole Blue, and a young man who lived an hour and a half away in a full-size Bronco. Well, needless to say, he was out playing in the big mud pits down there, and he got stuck. So there was nobody left in the park except me, Dee, and Doyle. Doyle's truck couldn't go pull him out, so I kind of came up with a half-brain idea and figured, you know what, we'll tie mine and Dee's truck together, and together we'll pull him out of there. So take a look at the video, and we had a great time doing it. Bronco, full-size Bronco, right out of the mud. You know what that's called? Girl power! Woo! It's like these little air things.
It's all muddy.
Okay, you got it, dude.
We're good. Okay, I don't know your name either, Wolf.
And we give them a little tug, and we get the job done. That's right. Girl power, baby.